Today, I'm gonna show you one very cool washing machine trick. After implementing this trick, you won't have to use your iron ever again. Now, as usual, the clothes that are going into your washing machine are a little bit wrinkled up, as you can see. In order to remove all of these wrinkles, we are going to add aluminium foil together with this clothes into this washing machine. Now make 3 big bowls from this aluminium foil, something like the size of a tennis ball. And now just place these bowls right in there in your washing machine. Just make it random. Now these bowls are gonna help with the rotation of your laundry during the washing process. It will make your laundry a little bit softer and your laundry won't be as wrinkled as before. The second benefit is that this aluminium foil is a great conductor of static electricity. And once your washing process is done, all of that static electricity that was in there from your clothes will get into these foils, and static electricity is one of the main causes of wrinkled laundry. Alright, let's close this up. Let's put some detergent in. We are gonna put it right here on this mix because we have different colors in there, and let's just start it. This washing process is done. The clothes has been washed. Now we have just one more step to do. We are going to move all of this laundry right up here in this dryer. Make sure to pick up all of these aluminium foil balls and put them right here together with your laundry in this dryer. As you can see, I have picked up the cotton storage, and we are going to turn on this dryer and wait to see what happens inside. After this drying process is finished, let's check and see what is the final result of this experiment. Alright, the aluminium foils are here, still intact, and let's just check the wrinkles on this clothes. Let's take this black shirt, for example. Well, I think you can see that this black shirt is pretty straight up. It doesn't have as much wrinkles on it as before. Let's see some other item. Blue shirt also is pretty straight up. Well, as you could see, this foil trick works pretty nicely. Just make a couple of aluminium foil balls and throw them in your washing machine and in your dryer, and your clothes will be a lot less wrinkled up. That's it. I hope you have found some value in this video. If you did, please hit that like button so that this video can spread to more people, so it can help more people. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one.